I'm Adam. You're watching week 153 of my Ira Street renovation. Welcome back to the renovation. I start this week off by installing the lights and the mirror in bathroom 2. I'm going for a modern farmhouse look throughout the house, and I think these lights are going to fit the bill. The mirror is a pretty standard screw mount mirror with a support rail that gets installed into the drywall. I was lucky enough to be able to hit a couple of studs, and the rest I just used drywall anchors. And just like that, everything's in. One of the next projects is going to be painting all the trim, but obviously, before I can paint the trim, I need to install the trim. I'm going to do kind of a craftsman style header, but for starters, I just need to install all the jambs and all the trim around the doors. So tonight I'm focusing on the front room. As you saw, I got some in around the kitchen and some in around the dining room and the stairwell. Here's what it looks like at the end of the night. On Tuesday, I get a quick run in at Rocky Flats before turning my attention back to some trim work at the house. We're starting to get some fall vibes here, and back at the house, I'm working on the railing right by the stairwell. This is just going to be like a nice flat board by the stairs. Back in bedroom number 1, I installed the jambs for this closet before I install the trim around the door. And that's going to be a night. And actually, that's going to be a week. I know it's a short one, but thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you next week.